In the coldest corners of the universe, silence reigns, a silence so absolute it swallows even the faint memory of sound. But lurking within this dark serenity, titans of gravity drift, ancient monsters birthed from collapsed stars. They wait, invisible and patient, until the nightmare of collision begins. Astronomers call them supermassive black holes, behemoths millions or even billions of times heavier than our sun. They anchor galaxies, dictate their shape, and consume matter with a hunger that never ends. When two galaxies merge, so too do their central beasts, locked in a gravitational dance of doom. Imagine two incomprehensible vortices, separated by light years, slowly spiraling toward each other. Their gravitational fields twist the very fabric of spacetime, warping light into spirals that only the universe can comprehend. To watch them is to stare into infinity and glimpse the terror of creation's raw machinery. At first, their approach is slow, deceptively calm, like predators stalking under cosmic fog. But as distance shrinks, their orbital speeds increase, thousands, then tens of thousands of miles per second. The universe itself bends under the strain, and invisible ripples of gravity begin to roll outward. These ripples, gravitational waves, carry news of destruction across the universe. They pass through everything, stars, worlds, even your body, stretching and compressing reality itself. Each wave whispers the same message: two monsters are about to unite. As they draw closer, the surrounding galaxies tremble. Stars are flung aside, gas clouds ignite in silent fury, and tidal forces twist entire solar systems into oblivion. There is no sound, only motion, a chaos beyond measure, hidden in velvet darkness. Within the merging galaxies, superheated gas swirls around both black holes, forming luminous accretion disks that glow like divine halos. The light bends back on itself, forming rings of distorted radiance, eerie and hypnotic. It is beauty sculpted by terror. Astronomers detect these cosmic duels not by sight but by the trembling of reality. Laser interferometers, buried deep on Earth, catch the faint oscillations caused by their dance. Each detected wave is proof that somewhere, vast entities battle in silence. Final moments before collision defy human comprehension. The pair whirl around each other at near light speed, dragging space into turbulent funnels. Time slows, light shatters, and the boundary between existence and non-existence grows paper-thin. When the black holes finally merge, energy erupts outward as a storm of gravitational firepower, a force more potent than all the stars in the observable universe combined. Yet no photon escapes, no explosion is seen. It is a silent apocalypse. Inside the collision zone, matter is reduced to pure geometry. Space contorts, time folds into itself, and the merged singularity swells into something even more monstrous. Its new gravity well deepens, trapping everything that dares to wander too close. Some theorists suspect that in those final milliseconds, laws of physics momentarily collapse. Space behaves like fluid, time flickers, and causality unravels. It is a region where our mathematics fails, a forbidden frontier where reason itself breaks apart. What remains after the merger is a single, titanic black hole spinning with unimaginable speed. Its rotational energy creates magnetic fields that stretch for light years, disrupting cosmic order. A newborn abyss, hungry and still expanding. Around it, debris from stellar corpses forms a warped accretion ring, glowing faintly in X-ray emission. Jets of plasma shoot from its poles, carving bright tunnels through darkness. Light and shadow burn together in a violent equilibrium. For distant civilizations, the event would pass unnoticed, a tremor in time, too subtle for eyes or telescopes. Yet for those who survive near it, gravity would rend their world apart before their minds could grasp the end. Even our own Milky Way hides such monsters in its heart. Sagittarius A, our local black hole, slumbers quietly. But far in the future, when our galaxy collides with Andromeda, its twin will awaken, and so begins another cosmic union. That merger, billions of years away, will reshape both galaxies into a single sprawling superstructure. Stars will ricochet like shrapnel through warped voids as the two central beasts close in. Humanity's trace, if any remains, will watch a spectacle beyond nightmare. Simulations show the pair circling for eons before finally collapsing into each other's arms, a gravitational waltz both elegant and merciless. Their energies will merge into waves that ripple through the universe long after they are gone. Every ripple carries a story older than life itself. Each is a requiem, an elegy sung through spacetime. When captured on our instruments, it is the universe whispering its oldest secret, that destruction is creation, and chaos is order reborn. Scientists listen, trying to decode the rhythm of these titanic mergers. Each detection helps them map cosmic history, tracing how galaxies grew from primordial darkness. But hidden within every dataset is a lurking reminder of our own fragile mortality. Some astrophysicists speculate what truly lies at the merging core, perhaps a bridge to another universe, a new dimension birthed from annihilation. If so, the collision may not be an end, but a beginning beyond human reason. Others fear something worse, that such collisions could rupture spacetime itself, unleashing unknown physics upon reality. They speak quietly of cascading effects, ripples growing until they rewrite the cosmos. Science enters the realm of myth. The black hole's spin can twist everything around it into swirling frames of motion, causing the illusion of time reversal. To fall toward it is to plunge into eternity, where the future and past merge into one endless scream. If we could hover safely near such a cataclysm, we would see time itself dilate. Seconds stretch into centuries, stars smear into streaks of light. The laws of perception die under the weight of gravity's pure authority. But we cannot hover there, no craft can survive that pull. Light itself barely escapes the edges before being devoured. The event horizon is a one-way mirror, reflecting our ignorance as it conceals the ultimate truth. Some theories imagine the merged black hole as a seed of new universes, infinitesimal wombs budding off from our own. Each collision could spawn new realities, entire cosmoses tumbling outward like reflections in a fractal void. Others picture it differently, not as creation, but decay. Each collision might be consuming the fundamental energy of reality, draining the universe into growing silence. In that vision, entropy has a pulse, and its heart beats within these collisions. From our small planet, we can only watch faint signals and wonder. We stare into instruments, decoding whispers from billions of light years away. The true violence remains unseen, veiled by distance and the darkness of infinite time. In myth, cosmic gods battled for dominance. Now we see their echoes in gravity's ballet. The black holes are our modern pantheon, faceless, immense, and merciless, sculpting galaxies with invisible hands. To study them is to confront the limits of comprehension. Every data point we wrest from their depths leads to deeper mysteries, darker equations. The more we learn, the less we feel we truly understand. Still, humanity is drawn to them, like moths circling a flame of infinity. We build bigger detectors, peer deeper into nothingness, always seeking that next faint gravitational quiver in spacetime. Next great collision could already be happening, unseen, in a corner of the cosmos too distant for our tools. Its waves may reach us in centuries or pass silently forever, lost in the vacuum between stars. Somewhere out there, two more black holes are spiraling into doom, their fates intertwined. Every revolution shortens the gap, every moment brings them closer to infinite collapse. The universe itself is the stage for their silent conflagration. In that final convergence, matter, energy, and time erase themselves. All that remains is gravity's cold perfection, shaping the universe while consuming it. We name it a merger, but it is, perhaps, a birth of something incomprehensible. And so, in the end, the universe writes its story not in light, but in absence. Every collision, every ripple, every silenced galaxy marks another chapter of oblivion. We watch, and we wait, knowing we too orbit our own inevitable darkness.